Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, Pasta Evangelist, and today we are making a delicious butter infused with fresh herbs. Let's go for it. Let's check the ingredient. Today we are going to use, of course, a butter. Then we got some garlic, then lemons, and then these amazing fresh herbs. So we got some parsley, some rosemary, and some thyme. And to prepare the butter, you have to start to chop your fresh herbs. What I like to do is to just remove all the leaf and the stem. Remember, you can use for another recipe. You can infuse your tomato sauce, so don't throw it away. I'm gonna leave it here, the things that we say that we're gonna use it again. It's very important. You have to simply remove all the leaf from the rosemary as well. Don't forget to get the top because it's the tenderest part of the herb, so it's really nice and great to add it to the butter. And then a little bit of the thyme as well. And as you can see, it's very easy to clean. And that's it. Yeah? Let's go for the chop. We want a really nice and fine fresh herb chopped, so we don't have large bits on the butter, so it gets really all the flavor and perfectly infused. The last chop and we are done. Perfetto. And is now ready. We can just leave it aside, yeah? Voila. So now we are ready to mix all together. We just need to grab a nice large bowl. We left the butter to get it really nice and soft, otherwise you will struggle to mix all the ingredients together. Now let's get the fresh herbs in because we need to mix all the ingredients together. Then I'm starting to add the butter. Now I will infuse the butter with nice fresh lemon zest. It's giving you really that freshness to the butter. Every time you grate the lemon, as I always say, be careful of not getting the white part out because it's pretty bitter. So you want to just get the skin. We make sure that you use a no waxed lemon. It smells amazing already. Then we go for the garlic. Now, that's the easiest tool to use for the garlic. You just put it in and you chop it. You can also do with a knife. I'm just going to explain what I did with the garlic to get it a little bit softer. So I have boiled for a couple of minutes and then I remove the skin so the garlic gets a little bit more soft. And then we go with the first. Now, I will go probably with the 2 garlic so you get all the flavor. We just then grab a fork and we mix all together. And I have now finished to mix all the ingredients. And believe or not, the butter is now ready. Let me show you how to store it. So I just gonna use a little bit of baking paper. And I'm going to spread all the butter and then store it in the fridge. You can use also cling film. So I just going to place all in the middle So guys, I have spread it first. So I want to create a huge candy caramella. This is going to give you a nice shape and easy to use it. So I'm just going to fold it. And try, guys, when you roll it, you know, try to make like a nice sausage, yeah? Then you start it to go this way, the other way. Now that the butter is ready, we can store it in the fridge. About 30 minutes to 1 hour is ready to be used, yeah? Ragazzi, now the infused fresh herbs butter is ready. Let me show you. We left in the fridge to get nice and solid. Let me show you the result. That's the butter. And guys, what you can do, you can also create small portion and leave it in the fridge this way, so it is easier to use it. Try at home and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes.